Hello everyone, it's me, Mrs. English. Today we're going to talk about the weather. Yes, because the weather is always a great topic. In English, we use simple words to describe the weather. For example, if you see clouds in the sky, you can say, "It's cloudy today." If the sun is shining, you say, "It's sunny." Try it with me. It's sunny today. If it's raining, what do we say? Yes, it's rainy. And if it rains a lot, we can also say, "It's pouring." That means very heavy rain. In winter, when it's very cold, we say, "It's snowing," or "It's cold outside. Don't forget your coat." When the wind is strong, we say, "It's windy today. Hold on to your hats." Now then, let's do some practice.
Hello, my name is Henry. I live in England. The weather here is often cloudy and rainy. In summer, it can be warm but not very hot. Today it is raining and a little windy. I always take my umbrella. Well, that's the typical day in England.
Hi, I'm Shuyan. I live in China. In the south, the weather is hot and humid in summer. In the north, it can snow in winter. Today, it is sunny and very warm in my city. I love sunny weather. I mean, who doesn't? Thanks for listening.
Well done, Henry and Shuyin. And what about you? What's the weather like in your country today? Waiting for you in the comments. Ta-ta!